Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Good morning. It's like 9 a.m. This is literally how I woke up. I slept really good. I have one packet left, so I wanted to do like a follow-up. I already used the other two, and I'm going to do this one, and I will not be bringing you into the shower with me this time. I'm gonna leave that out, but as you can tell, my hair definitely needs some TLC. Just take it down quick. So it definitely needs to be brushed out. I've got a lot of product in here, so what I'm going to do is take a shower, obviously do like the normal shampoo, conditioner, and then I'm going to be using the blondes. I just wanted to do one last video about it because when you start using something, and I've noticed with the color wow that I had, that the more I used it, the more I was noticing a difference. So I wanted to do the same thing with this. I did notice a difference when I used it the second time. Of course, I did that off camera, but I'm going to show you guys what it looks like the third time. So that is what I'm going to be doing, and I'm going to go ahead and take a shower, and then I will see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so you guys have seen me earlier. I've just been super lazy this weekend, so I'm sorry, but I wanted to show you guys basically what it looks like. So this is basically what my hair looks like dry after using the Malibu Blonde, Malibu C Malibu Blondes yesterday. This is what my hair looks like, and I really do like it. I've had it up all weekend. I've had it pulled back and stuff. So I'm going to straighten it today on camera for you guys, and then maybe you guys will see a difference. So I noticed a difference in my hair. So it does look slightly brighter, but I'm gonna pull you guys around so that you guys can see. So. Guys, immediately I am noticing my hair is definitely brighter. I think there was a little bit of dullness before using this product, so I can tell for sure that it is brighter. It looks like a brighter blonde, and my hair feels super soft, so I do like that too.